Well, I got my hard doors put on the day before it started raining. I had to put door handles in them. I've got two sets of doors. The other ones have got pretty bad rust on them, so I took the good handles out of those and put them in this one. And to put the door handles in, this is what holds them in, is this little saw blade looking clip that just presses up against the door. You're supposed to put them in from the top. That way gravity helps hold them in too. But if you cut all that black part off that I've got marked right there, you don't have to take the windows out or anything to put them in. They just slide right in at an angle and then drop right down, and you don't have to take all the windows out. I took everything that was good off that motor that I bought that had the crack in it. I'm trying to sand this down, and I'm going to try to put a polish on it before I put it on the engine that's in there that we're going to try to put rings on. That's pretty much all I can do today because it started raining on me. I'm going to try to get out here and do some more to it tomorrow since I've got off work, and see what I can get going.